Hello everyone. Hi, this is Sakthi, an MTech student from NIT Patna, partially supporting the missile Ingeniator. I have a previous experience in entity data in 2 years as a software developer associate. So in this course, I'm going to teach you guys about the basics and fundamental about the C programming for beginners. So whomever new to the programming language, you can go through this programming. I'll be teaching you guys entire on C programmings. Also, I'll be doing some hands-ons. Also, I'll be explaining about the basic structures of C programming. Okay, so please go up through all these videos in my playlist. So the course of the content includes the basics of C programming, arrays, pointers, strings, functions, structures, and unions. So these are the basic topics, overview topics I'm going to cover in this C programming tutorial video. So today, the module 1 covers the introduction to C. So introduction to C, I'll be covering the topics of basic introductions, history of C. Also, these basic structures of C I'll be explaining. Okay, so module 1 will be covering about the basic introduction to C. So introduction to C, why we need C? C is actually a system development program which is used to make the OS operating systems. So this code which runs fast as same as the in assembly language. Okay, so basic use of C is used in the operating system. Okay, also the database and network drives. So these are the areas we'll be using the C programmings. So also, whomever new to C, you can learn the basic fundamentals of programming. Okay, so the basic easy level of programming is C programming. So basic history of C programming is in 1967, Martin Richards, who has developed the first initial programming of BCPL, which is used for developing the system software. Okay, so after coming further development of 1967 Martin Richards BCL to 1970 Ken Thompson, who has modified the BCPL software programming language developed by Martin Richards as an advanced version to that as a B language. So this B language is developed motively for Unix operating system, to develop an Unix operating system. So coming up with the new advanced version of BCPL, also the B language, in 1972 Dennis Ritchie, who has developed the C programming with the combined feature of BCPL, also the B language, with additional features of data types, where these all the C programmings will be coming across in these videos. Okay, so why we need C and what is the basic advantages of C is it's a very basic learning programming language for beginners. Whomever new to the programming language can understand the basic level of programming with C. So whomever new to C, starting with the C language is a very advanced. It's a very like basic version of programming language. So it's like a fundamental if you want to learn C++, Java or Python, whatever the new course languages were there. If you start with the C, it's basic. You can understand all the further advanced programming language. So C is also a structured language which includes the data types, variables, constants. Also you can give up with the string, okay, array of values. So all these functionality you can do with C, as C is a structured language. So it's also efficient to understanding whomever beginners. You can learn the program concepts and also you can compile the C in a various platform. Okay, so in this video I have given an introduction to C. So in upcoming videos we'll be seeing about the structures of C programming and many more examples are upcoming to cards. So let's catch it up in the further videos. Thank you guys.